Namaste. Welcome to Solat, a holistic life care retreat. Here at Solat, we experience bliss in various frequencies all around us. I'm Sajal Gupta, a healthcare professional serving as a friendly therapist, integrating my learnings as a psychologist, a healer, and a life coach. This is a forum of seva, service. In my own spiritual path, I'm just serving to the divine's will. I'm a firm believer, as a plan of the universe, all the goodness that has happened through Solat would have happened regardless of me. I'm just simply honored to be a part of it, witness all the magic so closely while executing it. I'm only playing my part in the master plan. It makes me feel blessed. I see myself not as the founder, but as the first volunteer. Before we introduce you to the other volunteers, let's understand what does it mean to volunteer at Solat. Volunteering at Solat is called Pay It Forward. It's a unique opportunity of volunteer mentorship for all those who enjoy helping others or wish to do good in some form but feel limited, sometimes by means, sometimes by time, sometimes by resources and support. Sometimes you question the intent of how could I alone create an impact. We have a diverse tribe of volunteers: doctors, artists, students, homemakers, engineers, social workers. We are LGBTQ friendly, from dynamic, busy professionals to the ones looking for a fresh start. This could also be anyone's stepping stone in their career rehabilitation journey. As one gets the guidance and the environment support to explore oneself, with no bar in age, gender, occupation, or location. Solat is open to all who just have an intention to do good in any form. Wonder how does that work? Let's give you a quick visual before we introduce you to the pilot team. Here is all you need to know. Pay It Forward is a unique blend of volunteer mentorship. You may have a small desire to do something good. Collaborating with the whole tribe, you end up creating a bigger impact than what's ever possible alone. Your give is your time. Your take is mentorship. Each applicant is supported and guided to make their personal efforts of goodness efficient one, nurturing one's active skill and latent interest, making serving, seva, a more rewarding opportunity of growth, and celebrating the joy of like-minded companions. Here are the steps to join the tribe. Step 1. Apply. We are open to all. Just reach us, message on our social handles: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube at Life with Solart. Mail us on mail@solart.life. WhatsApp 9971671818. Step 2. Review. We help you with a quick self-check to know how to nurture you best. Step 3. Revert. You hear from us on what's the suggested path of service for you. Now let's meet few of our volunteers to see why they're serving at Solat.
Hi there, I'm Aditya. Professionally, I'm working as a sous chef with Viking Ocean Cruises in Norway, and I'm a volunteer at Solat.
Hi, I'm Ankita Chaudhary. Apart from being a fashion entrepreneur, I also volunteer at Solat.
Hi, I'm Nonita. I am from New Delhi, but I'm currently working out of Bangalore as a full-time yoga instructor and a Solat volunteer.
Hi, my name is Sanya and I'm a third year student at the University of British Columbia.
Hi everyone, Shafali Desai. I'm a doctor and I want to take this moment to thank my dear friend Sajal and a beautiful initiative, Solat. I've been really lucky and blessed to have received help in the times when I needed it the most.
Hi, I'm Sonali. I graduated from NYU in May, where I was studying English, journalism, and psychology, and I now work as a copywriter at a digital marketing agency in Gurgaon. I volunteer at Soul Art because I believe mental health is important and we don't prioritize it enough in our society.
So volunteering at Solat has been absolutely amazing for a multitude of reasons, but my favorite thing is watching how we all come from different walks of life, we're all coming from different backgrounds and different professions, but we are all united by this common need to give back and to help as many people as we can with whatever skills that we have.
Volunteering teaches us many virtues, like giving and contributing selflessly to a cause that one believes in. And Solat family can be very helpful for someone at their time of need by giving them physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental help.
I've been really lucky and blessed to have received help in the times when I needed it the most. Sajal ensured that I was heard and being taken care of in the best of ways. She has helped me uplift on all the levels, on spiritual, physical, mental, emotional level. She was there when I needed her the most, and her counseling sessions, her Sunday healing sessions have been of immense help.
Working with Solat has given me this amazing opportunity to embrace the creative side of me, which I always knew I had, but never found the right opportunity to nurture it.
Volunteering at Solat helped me to understand different approaches and different point of views of any particular idea or events in the day-to-day life. It made me look at things very differently through others' experiences and, of course, sharing the knowledge.
I love volunteering at Soul Art because of the community. Everyone is so genuine and positive, and it feels so wonderful knowing that there's a group of people supporting you and rooting for you no matter what you're doing, and you're all trying to achieve this common goal of trying to help people through whatever skills you have. For me, it's writing, and I write blogs and other things for Soul Art, where I try to get the message that mental health is important and that there's so many simple ways to take care of yourself across.
And so when we do have our brainstorming sessions and all of us volunteers get together, it's been so refreshing and wonderful seeing how everybody has different perspectives on everything and how we come together to, at the end of it, help as many people as we can. So absolutely loving it.
I'm so grateful to Solat and everyone in it to help me and help each other grow and become even better each and every day.
I just want you all to know that help is out there, it's available to all of us, and I hope you get yours when you are in the need of it the most. Thank you Sajal, thank you Solat, you guys rock. Thank you.
I love being with Solat because through it, I met so many amazing people from all walks of life, and meeting them and sharing our experiences together, sharing our life stories. It's a privilege in itself.
And I'm so glad to finally be a part of something so beautiful. Love.